Speed brought the Raptor down again today. He said make him a bigger ramp. He's gonna ramp it. We made him a bigger ramp. Got the old Kubota out here. It's muddy down there today. Gonna hop in the old Ford F-350 here. Take a little drive on down here. He is preparing to go launch himself off this thing currently. I'm backing down over the bank. Oh, it's a bigger bank than it looks. All right, he's surveying the situation over here. Oh, it's so muddy. I really gotta fix some ruts. So we made a little runway here. You can start there and head straight at it. Out here in the Humvee. Now for those of you that don't know Greg, he's got an H1 Hummer wagon, but he just picked up this military Humvee a couple days ago.
It's rare to see a Hummer doing that.
I think it might be rare to see a Raptor doing this sort of stuff.
A little bit. This is nice soft mud here to land on. That's all.
It is, it is. It's not all packed in yet.
There's like plants here to land on.
Yeah, they'll absorb the impact. So what's your goal this time? Land, there's where you landed last time, what?
I landed here, obviously extremely nose down because those are the toe hook marks.
Yeah.
My plan is really just to
like land up here?
Smoother and land up here. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, the whole truck's basically sitting on the ramp now instead of the front tires.
Yeah.
So I think you've got a better chance of getting a better launch off of there.
Yeah, better launch.
Plus you can come straight in now.
I can come straight in, a little bit more speed. I think more speed you need for sure.
More speed is always
too
key.
Low. Yeah. Too slow around it. Popped up.
All right, Mike. What are you thinking?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You gonna do this?
We're in Baja mode.
Okay.
We're in Baja mode, and I think we're good.
All right.
I think we're good.
Send this thing.
All right.
Not responsible if it goes terribly, terribly bad.
I know.
I don't build ramps for a living.
I know.
All right, I'm gonna go sit a camera down here in the middle of the creek. Here we go. Bye-bye $40 fake GoPro.
Helmet for safety.
All right, he's all strapped in, got the helmet on this time. We're getting serious. I like how your helmet matches your truck. Did you plan that?
Yeah.
Yep, perfect. Correct answer anyways. There might be a small dent. There's a small dent in the roof where the tire hit the roof. Yeah, it hit the roof. Well, folks, there it was. There's the ramp. There's the Hummer. There's the landing. Street Speed did it. He jumped straight over a Hummer.